Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and explain Fabletics VIP membership. Open Fabletics website in your browser. Fabletics is a subscription-based activewear brand known for offering stylish and affordable workout clothes. By joining the VIP membership, you will be able to get the OMG deals every damn day. First dibs on exclusive drops, member credits are the deal, ultimate flexibility. You can also cancel VIP membership anytime. After that, scroll down and you will be able to see different products here. Now you will see the steps to earn a member credit every month. It will charge you $59.95 per month for your VIP membership on the 6th of each month. You can choose skip the month between the 1st and the 5th of the month for as long as you want. Get smart! Don't skip the month and get a monthly member credit which you can use to buy any item outfit or bundles that worth a lot more than your monthly fee. Fabletics reviews are mixed. Users praise the stylish, high-quality activewear and value offered by the VIP membership. However, some find the subscription model confusing and difficult to manage, with complaints about automatic charges and cancellation issues. Sizing inconsistencies and occasional shipping delays are also noted. Overall, the brand is well-liked for its products, but has some service-related drawbacks. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, see you in the next one.